Hi, it's Jade with Sabatino. I received a beautiful batch of fresh truffles and I want to show you today how to properly clean them. So Sabatino takes care of that for you. They are going through a rigorous cleaning process prior to shipping out the truffles to your door. But as a company, we want to ensure that you have the ultimate, the best quality of truffles. So we want to encourage you to do an extra cleaning after it has been transported from across the world. So I want to show you today how we do it, what we recommend. Typically, we recommend holding a gentle stream of water. For the sake of the video, I have a bowl of water. Take a handy dandy toothbrush and you're gonna gently scrub the truffle. So don't use your own toothbrush, have a special toothbrush just for the truffle. But you'll notice as you're brushing that you're having tiny specks. Typically that's just the outer skin that's brushing away, but we just wanna make sure, just in case anything was trapped in a crevice, to properly clean it. So we've cleaned the truffles, right? You immediately want to dry it. Okay, you want to dry it with dry paper towel. Similar to mushrooms, any type of variety, they tend to sweat, right? They don't like a lot of water. So you want to make sure that the moisture isn't trapped, that the water is completely out. So I showed you a toothbrush, but you can also use a nail brush, anything that's typically soft bristled. Just make sure that you wash it after. You can throw it into the dishwasher. Just make sure it's clean so it's free of any contaminants for the next time that you use it. But now we have beautiful, clean truffles. Yay!